Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to see devices logged in on Instagram. You may be using your one account on different platforms such as it could be your tablet or your smartphone, or you have been using your Instagram on your devices. So if you want to keep track on them or you see in which devices you have logged in or logged out, so you can do it easily. First of all, open your Instagram app. Now to go to your profile section, tap here, and after that tap on the hamburger menu. Now after you're loaded into your settings and activity, what you're gonna do next is tap on account center. It is at the top option. So after you tap on that, now this is your account center. So if you want to find out which devices you have logged in, what you can do is tap on password and security. Now here you can all find saved login. Here, if you have saved login in any devices, it will be available here. But if you want to see where you have logged in, tap here. Now it will show all the devices that you have logged in. So this is how you can easily see in which devices you have logged in. It could be phone, tablet, and all the devices. History will be shown there. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.